Assalamualaikum. Good day everyone. So today I will discuss our problem number 4, which is find the quotient. So yung na-discuss natin sa last one is about multiplication. Here naman we have division. So there will be some difference and some similarities. So ang gagawin natin, same din. Yung kunin natin ang coefficient, separate natin sila, at saka yung mga factor or exponential factor, separate din natin sila. So exponential, yung coefficient dito is 9.3. So isulat natin siya dito, 9.3. Tapos divided or division, ganito na ang division, divided by 3.1. Ang dito naman yung 10 over 5 divided by 10 over 2. So ang gagawin natin dito, i-divide lang natin. So as we know, yung in simple words, 9.3 divided by 3.1 is actually 3. So that's our answer, 3. Ang ito naman, ang gagawin natin, yung 10 over 5 is divided by 10 over 2. So anong gagawin natin? I-minus natin ang 2 sa 5. So maging 10 over 5 minus 2. Kasi in division, mag-minus tayo ng ng powers pag same lang numbers. So we will have what? 5 minus 2 equals 3. So it will be 10 over 3. Tapos i-combine na natin ang number. So maging 3 times 10 over 3. Ito na ang answer natin for A. Solution natin for A. In relation naman to B, separate din natin yung numbers. So yung 3.6 is the coefficient for this number. Then divided by what? By 1.2. Dito naman, yung 10 over minus 4 is divided by 10 over 6. So ganun lang, i-divide natin. So in division, alam natin na 3.6 is 3 times of 1.2. So it is 3. So our solution is 3. Then dito naman, ang gagawin natin, i-minus lang natin and 6 from the negative 4. So ganito, negative 4 minus 6 equals how much? Negative 10. So dito na, 10 is over negative 10. So i-combine na natin sila. 3 times 10 over negative 10. And here's our solution. Is very easy. Lastly, we have the C. So sana yung saan yung coefficient? Ito ang coefficient, 3.3 divided by 1.1. Ang dito naman is 10 over 7 divided by 10 over negative 2. So anong mangyayari? Divide natin ang 3.3 by 1.1. We will have 3. So the solution is 3. Okay, the solution is 3. Dito naman, yung 10 over 7 is divided by 10 over negative 2. So ang mangyayari ganito, 10 over 7, tapos minus negative 2. Pag ang negative pati ang minus nakita sila, maging positive yun. So maging ganito siya, 7 plus 2. Ang solution is 9. So maging 10 over 9. Tapos i-combine natin sila, maging 3 times 10 over 9. And here is our solution. Thank you for listening.